Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. In this spiritual channel, Shankara Hridayam, for every Shukla Panchami, we are going to contemplate on Acharya's teachings. From this Shukla Panchami, we shall meditate on a short Prakarana Stotra of Acharya, Sadacharānusandhāna. Sadacharānusandhāna, which is one of the Prakarana Stotras of Acharya Shankara, is a guarding light to humanity. It helps in exploring the divine life of a spiritual seeker from morning to night. It consists of 55 shlokas, every shloka a pathway towards inner discipline. Actions by itself is inert. Consciousness enlivens the emotions and thoughts which propels it. Genuine emotions invigorates essence in actions. Actions or conduct, achara, backed by right emotions and thoughts, is called sadachara. If our actions are not according to our values, then gradually our values fall to suit our actions, says Swami Tejomayananda. Sadachara guides us on how to add value into our mundane daily actions through a meaningful daily plan and an inspiring life plan. Acharya Shankara goes one step further, telling that Sadachara is not only a daily routine of meaningful and inspiring life, but a means to know the Supreme. All actions of those who have reached the Supreme are Sadachara. The least expected of a human being is to be humane. One who is ever engaged in good deeds is cultured, follows his duties according to his stage of life, and well behaved is called a human being. Sadachara is meant to make us humane beings. The qualities of tamas and rajas are obstacles to material or spiritual success. They should be subdued by cultivating sattva guna, which is conducive to know the Supreme, a state beyond all the gunas. Thus, Acharya Shankara urges a man from being ordinary and doing uninspired actions to first become good and do meaningful and inspired actions. Thereafter, Sadachara shows the path of becoming blissful and divine. Sadacharānusandhāna is a text exclusively for spiritual seekers who are caught by the divine grace, free from worldly desires, and are traveling towards the highest emancipation. Now, let us see the first shloka. Satchidanandakandaya Jagadankurahetave Sadoditaya Purnaya Namonantaya Vishnave. The first shloka is a stuti or an invocation on Lord Vishnu, who is an effulgence of existence, consciousness, bliss, the seed of creation, in whom the world appears and disappears, the complete, endless. This is the greatness of Acharya Stuti. Apart from the divine name Vishnu, here the Lord is meditated as one's own self. With this, we have been introduced to the text. Let us continue the divine path, contemplating on the next shlokas in the coming series. Shankarupena machittam पङ्कीकृतमभूत्यया किङ्करी यस्य सा माया शङ्कराचार्यमाश्रये.